Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the top 5 best electric deep tissue neck and back pillow massagers. If you're looking for a way to relieve neck and back pain, an electric massager can be a great option. These massagers use a variety of techniques to massage your muscles, including kneading, rolling, and vibration. They can help to improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, and relieve pain. In this video, I'll be discussing the top 5 best electric deep tissue neck and back pillow massagers on the market. I'll be looking at factors such as price, features, and customer reviews to help you choose the best massager for your needs. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Snail X Cordless Portable Neck Back Electric Pillow Massagers. The Snail X Electric Pillow Massager is a versatile and effective massage device that can be used to relieve pain and tension in the neck, shoulders, back, and other parts of the body. It features a 3D shiatsu massage roller with 6 massage nodes that provide a deep tissue massage, as well as a heat function that can help to relax muscles and improve circulation. The massager is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to use at home, in the office, or on the go. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Snail X Cordless Portable Neck Back Electric Pillow Massagers. Pros: cordless and lightweight for easy portability. 3D shiatsu massage roller with 6 massage nodes provides deep tissue massage. Heat function helps to relax muscles and improve circulation. Multiple massage modes and intensities to choose from. Long battery life up to 70-80 minutes. Soft, comfortable fabric cover. Cons: some users have reported that the heat function is not very strong. The massage can be a bit too intense for some people. The massager can be a bit bulky for some people. Overall, the Snail X Cordless Portable Neck Back Electric Pillow Massager is a great option for people who are looking for a versatile and effective massage device. It is easy to use, portable, and provides a deep tissue massage that can help to relieve pain and tension. Dear friend, if you think that this wonderful design product will be best for you, then feel free to follow the link given in the video description and order the product of your choice now. Let's see what products are waiting for us. Coming up next. Number 4. Restec B10041 is a portable electric massager. The Restec massager uses 3D kneading nodes to provide deep tissue massage for the neck, back, shoulders, and other parts of the body. It also has a heat function that can help to soothe muscle pain and stiffness. The massager is easy to use. Simply plug it in, select the desired massage mode and intensity, and then place it on the area of your body that you want to massage. The 3D kneading nodes will move in a circular motion, providing a deep and relaxing massage. The heat function can be turned on or off, depending on your preference. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Restec B10041. Pros: portable and easy to use. 3D kneading nodes provide deep tissue massage. Heat function can help to soothe muscle pain and stiffness. Multiple massage modes and intensity levels. Quiet operation. Long battery life. Cons: some users have reported that the straps are not very comfortable. The massager can be a bit bulky for some people. Overall, the Restec B10041 is a good quality massager that is effective at relieving muscle pain and stiffness. It is portable and easy to use, and it has a variety of features that make it a versatile option for people of all ages. Dear friend, if you think that this wonderful design product will be best for you, then feel free to follow the link given in the video description and order the product of your choice now. Let's see what products are waiting for us. Coming up next. Number 3. NeckTech LMS 801 is a portable shiatsu massage. The NeckTech massage pillow can be used to relieve muscle pain and tension in the neck, shoulders, back, and legs. It features 8 deep kneading massage nodes that can be adjusted to 3 different intensities, as well as a built-in heat function for added comfort. The pillow is also lightweight and easy to use, making it a great option for home or travel use. Here are some of the pros and cons of the NeckTech LMS 801. Pros: 8 deep kneading massage nodes, 3 adjustable intensity levels, built-in heat function, lightweight and portable, easy to use, affordable. Cons: the heat function can be a bit too warm for some people. The massage nodes can be a bit noisy. The pillow may not be wide enough for some people. Overall, the NeckTech LMS 801 is a good option for people looking for portable and affordable shiatsu massage pillow. It is easy to use and provides a deep massage that can help to relieve muscle pain and tension. However, the heat function can be a bit too warm for some people, and the massage nodes can be a bit noisy. Dear friend, if you think that this wonderful design product will be best for you, then feel free to follow the link given in the video description and order the product of your choice now. Let's see what products are waiting for us. Coming up next. Number 2. Homedix NMS620H is a portable electric neck and shoulder massager. The Homedix is a portable electric neck and shoulder massager that uses shiatsu massage and heat therapy to relieve muscle tension and pain. It has 3 speed settings and a reverse function, so you can customize your massage experience. The heat therapy can also be turned on or off. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Homedix MS620H. Pros: portable and lightweight, 3-speed settings and reverse function. Heat therapy, comfortable velour material, easy to use. Cons: the strap can be a bit uncomfortable for some people. The heat therapy can be too hot for some people. Overall, the Homedix MS620H is a great option for anyone looking for a portable, effective neck and shoulder massager. It is easy to use and has a variety of features to customize your massage experience. Dear friend, if you think that this wonderful design product will be best for you, then feel free to follow the link given in the video description and order the product of your choice now. Let's see what products are waiting for us. Coming up next, number 1. 5FS8801BLK Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. The 5 Back Massager is a handheld massager that uses deep kneading shiatsu massage and heat therapy to relieve muscle pain, soreness, tension, and stress. It has a deep 3D rotation kneading shiatsu massage nodes that can be adjusted to target different areas of the body, such as the neck, shoulders, back, legs, and feet. It also has a soothing heat function that can help to relax muscles and improve circulation. Pros: deep kneading shiatsu massage, soothing heat therapy, 8 deep 3D rotation kneading shiatsu massage nodes, 3 massage modes, 5 intensity levels, automatic shut-off feature, lightweight and portable, made of premium materials. Cons: some users found the massage to be too strong. The heat function can be too hot for some people. The massager can be a bit noisy. Overall, the 5SFS8801BLK Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager is a good option for people who are looking for a deep kneading massage with heat therapy. It is easy to use, versatile, and comfortable. However, some users may find the massage to be too strong or the heat function to be too hot. Dear friend, if you think that this wonderful design product will be best for you, then feel free to follow the link given in the video description and order the product of your choice now. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 best electric deep tissue neck and back pillow massagers. We hope this video helped you find the perfect massager for your needs. No matter which massager you choose, make sure to read the reviews carefully to make sure it's a good fit for you. And remember, always consult with your doctor before using any new massager, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thanks again for watching.